Introduction to DIY Smart Home Intercoms.
Smart home intercoms let you communicate across rooms using modern devices. Instead of expensive built-in systems, you can create your own with basic tech skills and affordable parts. In this guide, you'll learn how to build a simple, wireless intercom for your home, perfect for families, roommates, or small offices looking for convenience and cost savings.
What you need: components and tools.
To build your DIY smart intercom, you'll need a few key items: inexpensive single-board computers like Raspberry Pis or old smartphones, reliable Wi-Fi access, microphones, speakers, and power adapters. Optional components include cases for protection and simple push buttons. Basic tools, such as a screwdriver, and free software like voice chat apps or intercom programs will complete your setup.
Setting up your devices.
Connect each Raspberry Pi or smartphone to power and ensure they're on the same Wi-Fi network. Attach the microphone and speaker if needed. For Raspberry Pi setups, install your chosen operating system. Then download an Intercom app or configure a voice communication service. Old smartphones can use free group call apps. Check that devices can both send and receive audio.
Configuring the Intercom software.
Choose an Intercom app or a group call service. Popular options include Mumble, Zello, or even basic VoIP apps. Follow the app's setup guide to create dedicated channels or rooms for your household. Test the audio, adjust volume and microphone sensitivity, and enable auto answer if you prefer hands-free operation. Secure your channels with passwords for privacy.
Using and expanding your smart intercom.
Place devices in key rooms for easy access. To use, simply speak into one device to be heard across the connected network. Add more units as needed for larger spaces. With some customization, you can integrate features like doorbell alerts or control via smart assistants. Enjoy your homemade smart intercom, a flexible solution for modern home communication.